guess while I'm here, I'll help Pearl. Oh, there's so many puppets. There's so many of them just running around. It's the worst. Great. Great. Okay, so if I'm quick, I can do it. Ugh.
And for me, your bestest friend, you can just bring a friend. All I need.
Okay, so I can deal with them. Actually, wait, am I hurt? I didn't pay attention. I think I'm hurt because I got hit by the dog. Oh. Oh! That's a red door. I swung! Asshole. Oh. Cheat. That's not what I was aiming to find, but... Achievement unlocked. Find 5 cheat tapes. Cool. Great. Oh! Yeah, there was the pizza things, right? Maybe that's related to something? I don't know. I don't know enough about the map because I don't have a map. Whoa, that was... I almost ran out of room.
The mail comes every day. I look out the window waiting for the moment it appears. And then when it does, I rush outside to see.
There's no handle on this side.
Sometimes it's little pieces of paper. Hey, I wanna make new
Run.
friends. New friends
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting
Oh.
to bed. First, I put my PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night. I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush. You can pick up any of your favorite condiments on your toothbrush. I choose clear, all friendly here. Friendly, friendly, friendly. I can spew all sorts of things.
I swung. I swung. This is bad. This is bad. No! Where am I? Okay. I swung.
Oh man, that's gonna hurt.
Cool. Hate all of you. Oh, the garage door isn't open. That's what I... Good riddance. I hit you! I hit the fucking connection! Oh boy. Is it too late just to, like, tear them in half? Cool. In here, select the thingy I dropped or whatever. It was this. So I need 2 codes. One of them is for a safe and the other one's for the not safe. I don't think I need anything from there. Alright, so those are just open. Don't care anymore. I'm just gonna walk.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by
Can't get back through there. I have to get back through there. Meaning I'm gonna have to hit those small puppets again.
Are you my new friend? I have good friends.
What the? Ugh. I hate you. Aw, they're the worst. They're actually the worst. Heal, please. Go this way. Don't. Oh, yeah. I somehow didn't get hit by them.
Sometimes we would swap our arms, then we would swap our legs.
Back in here, I guess. Don't know what else I'm supposed to do is the problem. Okay, there has to be a way of helping Pearl. How would I help Pearl? I genuinely don't know. You're an asshole. Oh, you're just lying down. Open. I'm in this room now. There was a cheat in here. Door's unlocked, at least. I have to go to the rafters, I think, because that's where I get access, like, everything that I care about. I'm just gonna set this to a thing. Shut up. Yeah, he's chasing me. Maybe that's it? Just the pizza stuff? That's the mushroom. Onion. I guess I'll try. Never mind. You cool there? Oh. Wait. Oh, you're blind. I thought the horns were her eyes, but that's why she's not. That's why she chases me so inconsistently. Because she can't see me. She can't see me. So wait, are you telling me during the first section I was panicking for no good reason? She can't fucking chase me properly. So why was I ever concerned? This game. Okay, so that one I opened. The next one was mushroom? Mushroom. Let's try the mushroom. Yeah, she's not even chasing me.
Stuck into the box and shipped to my house. In the mail. This stockpile of greasy hamburgers that I cooked at my vacation home. Come on, say it with me.
Hmm.
From Florida.
Interesting. Great, got that one. What's the next one I can open? I missed that? Square. I opened that one, I think. Pepperoni. I have 7 shots. That's it. Pepperoni. Now I can check that area. What? I'm literally right in front of you, and yet you can't find me. Yeah, you're blind. I guess the things on her side of her head are like horns. Like moose horns or whatever. I thought for some reason they were a part of her eyes. I'm not gonna lie. Health. Cool, I guess. Like, why can't I get behind the drum? Ah.
It's time for a duet! A duet with
Oh, that's it's what words are made out of. You mean like the ones I see in
Welcome! Welcome through!
Get slapped. Mama said knock you out. And let's start.
The mail.
Hey there, kids!
It's a big day. I look out the window waiting for the moment it appears. And when it does, I rush outside to see what I got. Sometimes it's little pieces of paper. Sometimes it's big boxes. But I watch.
In here. Uh-huh. It's nailed shut. Wait, nailed shut? The door's nailed shut.
Welcome! With you, sir!
I don't know.
Well, it's time for... what does Norman notice?
Oh, that opens the door.
What does Norman notice?
Okay. I wish I had a map. Really do. I think I just go back out, because I don't think there's anything in this section. Or at least if it is.
Mail. Mail comes every day. I just thought the window.
Oh, I like that.
Who are you? Why are you?
Die.
Big boxes. I don't want that. No ways of water. Immediately.
Hmm.
Pair of socks. Got it in the mail.
I don't know.
Neighbor stuffed into a box and shipped to my house. In my vacation home.
Shut up. Oh, I'm blind as hell then. How did I miss that? The anchovy one's right there. Ammo. Cool. Well, every single other one's been outside. Pizzas is the only one I'm missing, right? It's gotta be outside. Right? I mean, where else would it be? Every single other one's been outside. Yes, you are. I don't know, in here? I said they might be outside, but I could have been easily wrong. I forgot this room existed. I forgot this room existed. Mistakes were made. Enters room, immediately panics. Hey, you want to learn a physics lessons? Gravity. It's the pepperoni one. That goes there into like a jump down, I think. Where? Can I jump onto this? Is that a thing? No. No, it isn't. I don't quite understand where I'm supposed to be. Have I taken this door? I don't think I have. Wait, what? Wait.
If you can draw, you can do all sorts of things.
That's a second anchovy one.
On an adventure.
Oh. I'll pick an anchovy again, I guess. I'm really running out of areas to look around, though. It's like, there has to be a way of helping Pearl. I know that based on the logic with every other character up to this point, it's an item I have to pick up. Like, it's the dog food for the dogs, obviously. It was the pump for Ray. Well, the pump piece for Ray. It was the movies for Goblet. So based by every bit of logic, there's an item for Pearl that I'm missing. That I just haven't picked up yet. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, I am not resetting. No, you can absolutely bugger the hell off. I am not resetting. Alright, so anchovy. Or tuna. I don't know. I assume it's anchovy because of pizza. But who knows? Maybe it's like a tuna. This is bad. Never mind. Crisis averted. How did I not notice she was blind before? It's so obvious now. Was I just making a ton of noise before and didn't realize? I got nothing. I got nothing. Huh? Glasses. Oh. No, those aren't glasses. There's eyeballs on them. Are these Pearl's eyes? Oh. I'm gonna make her not blind. That makes sense, actually.
Days in the background. Sometimes I get some lines to recite too.
Goodbye. Do I go to Pearl herself? Oh, she's just at her desk. Hey Pearl, I got a thing for you. Pearl? I got a thing? Oh. Oh. Ah!
Oh, jeez. Oh, boy.
What? Huh? Pearl? Oh, whoa, wait, where are the boxes in the way? Oh! Oh! Oh, okay.
That's a good girl. There we go. Stay nice and calm. It's been a long time since you saw yourself, huh?
Oh!
Happens to all of us. We all get shocked sometimes when we look in the mirror.
Okay, maybe
Sorry.
not the best. Oh. And she's just looking in the mirror. Gordon helped Pearl. I was right. Every other monster that we found so far had options to help them. And I was right. Pearl had an option too. I just missed it. I just missed it. Okay. I mean, I found the polish thingy. I found the key. Helped Pearl. I had my hands away from the keyboard because I forgot this was gonna happen. Run, 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 run. I genuinely had my hands off from the keyboard, completely forgetting that the dog was in here. At all. Wasn't my brightest move, I'll say that. Alright. Now the real question is asked. Where the hell's the dog food? Well, I guess I could go back into the office to put the final tape in. I kind of want to do that. Because I kind of want to see what happens when I do that. I don't know, it may do nothing. But it's weird that there's even a fourth one to begin with. I just realized this room's actually quite quiet. Did all of them just leave? Yeah, I don't hear anybody. Huh. Have they just all left? Because it's very quiet now. Were you the guy playing the game? Oh, you were. Good game, bud. I had fun. Yeah, and you're stopping me get up here. Which means there's something here. I'm not quite sure what the extra movie reel's for, because I've helped Goblet, right? So what's the point? Like, I'm not quite sure. What's the point, right? What? It's the code! 7, 12, 4. That makes so much sense! So, right to 7. Left to 12. I'm gonna have to write this down, because I will not remember this. But that makes so much sense. So it's right 7. Left 12. And then it's right to 4. I can't believe that's so clever. Now I know it. This is actually ridiculously smart. That's so smart. Okay, now I go to the oh, I can go through the car doors to get there quicker too. Yeah, everything's lining up. This is going great. Yeah, and now I can unlock the safe, which means that I can do my thing. And get whatever's in there. It could be honestly anything. I don't know at this point. I know I'm obsessed with dog food recently, but is it the dog food? Putting dog food in a safe, though, is a little weird, but... Because, like, this is a thing that I am going out of my way to get. This isn't a part of the story, from what I can tell. Because if it was... I don't know, maybe it is. Maybe this is the main story. Because from my understanding, helping the people with the... Like, because I didn't need to help Pearl. I skipped that for a while. I didn't need to help Ray. That was optional as far as I could tell. The Goblet one... That might have been necessary. But then again, I just obsessed over the movie reels for, like, too long. But I don't think helping people is actually mandatory in this game. So I feel like... Alright, now I need to actually, like, check my notes on this. Alrighty. I already screwed it up. Good start. 7. 12, and then it was... 4. And that's the locked door from downstairs. This is all making so much sense. Okay. Now I need to get back into the sewers. Because now I have the answer to the code. Or, like, not code, but... I have the way to actually get back in. I need to head to the garden elevator to get to the sewers, though. Which means fighting the dogs. Can I... I think I have to do that, because, like... Yay! Hey, dog, don't aggro, please. Don't aggro, please. Let's see what this is. It had the workshop symbol thingy there, so... Oh, it's just a workshop. Cool. Oh, that's a ton of locked stuff. But yeah, this is Pearl's room, right? Or like Pearl's place. Oh. Battery pack. Battery pack. We're up there? 'Cause there's a ton of items there I'd like, if possible. Huh? That's off. Oh, that's just a bird. I thought something big fell. What the? Why is everything off? Oh, hi, bird. Oh, you're knitted. That's actually super cute. Aw. Are these just dead or something? Because they're not working. I actually don't know, like... Is it maybe this? Use index. Wait, what? I don't have any indexes. Wait, did that just reload me? Is that it? Is that all that did? What the? Oh! It's a second storage box? Do I really need a second one? I don't know, actually. Let's take some more healing stuff, because I actually used quite a bit earlier. And let's just save. Because this is really good progress, actually. What's in here? Stuff? Stuff of the stuff variety? Uh-huh. Anything in the bins? Oh, I mean, I was right. Oh! Oh! That's like a back way into the gardens. Duct tape. What's down here? Ah, oh, god damn it. Ammo, at least. And a lot of grenades. Uh-huh. Secret. I hate... How did I screw that up?
And swallow again. Now you have 2 hands in your stomach.
I unlocked a door. To where?
What do you do when you get upset? Do you let it get you down?
Oh, this is to the studio. Oh, that's not where I thought this was gonna go. I mean, I'm completely cool with it, but really, a shortcut to the studio? Do I really need that? Is this room clear? Of course, this is one of the rooms that doesn't happen to be on the map. Of course it is. I got ammo out of this room. I think I just did it. However, I know this one isn't done. Because there's something I'm supposed to pick up. I just haven't. Fingers crossed it's something good. Load. Game, please load. Okay. Uh-huh. Something here? Anything? That's a can. Barrel. Nice. Yes, done it. Cool. Alright. Now, where does this go? It's locked from the other side. Never mind. Alright, so it got me some stuff, but it didn't progress me that far. Cool, heal before going after the dogs, I guess. Did this refill? Oh, wait! It did! Wait a minute. Does this just refill with infinite grenades? Because that might solve my ammo problem. No. Maybe it's a certain amount of time has to have like, passed. The grenades should help, though. I don't know why we needed loading screen here. I could see everything in front of me. That room with the aviary should be connected to here. I don't know why it isn't. Okay. I mean, I could go back into the hotel. I haven't been there in a while either. I remember there being a candy bar dispenser, and that's kinda it. Oh yeah, you're the elevator that was gooped up. Yeah, and those candy bars. Wait, I haven't emptied this area? Oh. Hospitality. Find Ricky Snackaroos. That was an achievement. Apparently Ricky left me snacks. Thanks, bud. No, 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 no. Don't tell me I need to pick up the masks from the other area. Get in here. No. 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 That can't be it. Something can be placed here, like the masks from, like, 2 hours ago. I don't want to do that, though. Because that means I have to go back into the goddamn studio, pick them all up, and put them... Alright. Who knows? It might not be that. Mostly because there were 4 masks, and there were 5 statues there. Maybe it's something completely unrelated. Maybe I'm in denial. Doesn't matter. Don't want to. Do I grenade the dog? That is a real question I'm having right now. Hey, puppy. Nope, run. Oh, you just barked at me. You didn't even chase me. Thank God you didn't chase me. Alright. You're... not in the maze, if I recall. Yeah, you're there. However... Yeah, you're kinda in the way nonetheless. Because I want to get in there. Yeah, alright.
No!
I hit him once! For all the animal lovers in the world, I apologize. Where is it here? Dog doesn't understand stairs. He's very confused. Wait, how'd he get up there? Dog doesn't understand stairs. He's getting there. Slowly, but... Looks like the peg in the bucket can go here. What? Oh... Oh, I get it. It's where the things were. That was there. God, I don't remember. Could you chill, bud? Okay, she's there. I guess where I am is like here. Near the exit. That's Ricky. I know the male guy is in here somewhere. At least I think he is. Yeah, he's there. On the upper portion. I don't know who's on the downer area. There. Goblet? I don't know where Goblet is. I know he's in here in one of these. Can I just guess? Oh, that works. Good to know. I literally just guessed at the end of that. How do I deal with the dog now? Because my one exit is kind of... You cool there, bud? He has 6 legs, I just noticed. Dog can't use stairs. And I just made it. Woo! I can heal. Wait, what? Did I just... I knocked him down the exact moment I got knocked down. Are you kidding me? What the... He tried to get in! He tried to get in the elevator! Oh boy. Cool. Now I have the fuses. I kind of want to go to that room. Goodbye. Cool. You're tied down. I want to go this way. Which desires far charge. Up we go to get to the pump room where I can finally figure out what's behind that damn door. Way too long. It's like first hour of playing I found it.
We're all friendly. Oh,
You're all very friendly, I agree. Fly! He flew. Okay. Now to figure out, the thingy. Which button is it to get the thing again? I want to get to the... There we go. Sewers. No, it's not that one. It's... Birdy? No, I got it from here, I guess, then? There it is. Spade, star, diamond, heart, so... Really? Wait, why do I still have the pegs on me? Why do I still have the pegs? Alright, fine. Whatever. Okay, so... I'm gonna need more room. I'll just eat the candy bar. It's fine. So, spade, star. That was a club. No. It was diamond, heart. Nice. Ammo! That's a lobster? Where is this going? They found another elevator.
If you can draw, you can do all sorts of things.
Wait, what? Where the...
Let's go on an adventure.
Treasure hunt. Gain access to stage 5. Oh.
Three lines, connect them together. Now, draw a line right down
I gained access to stage...
Oh, yeah. This is more like it. I could use a vacation.
It's a pirate studio. Like the movie that was mentioned like 4 seconds ago. I wanna. Uh-huh. Cool. So new area is cool and all. Uh-huh. Surely there's a mod to increase the loading speeds, right? I don't quite know where I am. Do I have all the stuff for the solution? Like the goo solution? I think I do? Either that or I'm missing one. Oh, yeah, no man. Oh no, I'm missing one. Oh, this is the top of Pearl's area. Okay. Yeah, this is the stage area.
The feeling like you might throw fire? You've never heard music? Oh, let me introduce you to it all.
I just exited the area, didn't I?
I learned my numbers when I was a kid. Here, let me show you.
Which means I have to get through the dogs again.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day.
Uh-huh. This game is 80% of me getting lost. That's like a majority of what's happening. I'm just getting lost constantly. Alright. This is a shortcut to somewhere. I don't remember where, though. This is the thing. The thing being the area where thing is thing. Got it. Kinda. Yeah, I'm back here. Great! And I can't open this. It is locked from the other side. Of course it is. Means I'm gonna exit here and immediately be faced with the goddamn dogs again. Is there anything else I can do right now? Other than go down that elevator? That's the greenhouse. Wrong button. That's the greenhouse, yeah. This is where I am. Yeah. No, not really. I don't think there is, anyways. Yeah, and I go down from the elevator to the sewers. From the sewers, take the elevator up, which gets me to that studio area. And that's all I really got right now. That being said, I've been playing for quite a while now, so I'm just gonna end it here for now. There's still a lot to do, I think. But yeah, I think there's also a lot that... Yeah, there's a lot to do. I'll get there eventually. It will take 7 years. And, like, many failed attempts and dying, probably. And possibly therapy, but I'll make it eventually. That being said, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please check out some of my other stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!